guys, this is Mrs. O with Kingdom Barbecue Catering Service and Kingdom Sweets Online. Hope everyone is having a great weekend. Today is Saturday, so I thought about doing a pizza. You know, most people like pizza, hot dogs, or something on the weekend. So I thought about doing a pizza. I wanted to do just a regular pizza, and my son was like, "No, Mom, do a barbecue pizza. You know, spice it up." So I'm going to do a barbecue pizza. All right, so let's get started. So what I did, I went to the store and I just got a basic pizza crust, but this one says European bakery style dough, and it's the long length pizza dough. So what I did, I took a sheet pan and I just kind of pressed it out, just like this, to get it, you know, really flat. Okay, just want to show you. And just take your hands, of course, you know, wash your hands, please do. All right, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the barbecue sauce. Let me put the cheese right here. Okay, and I'll put the barbecue sauce in this bottle so it kind of help me guide it where I won't put too much. And by the way, this is our barbecue sauce with Johnny Walker
Black Label whiskey.
Okay, so I'll go this way. I don't like a lot of sauce, but I don't want it dry. Okay, so I'm just going to take the back of the spoon and I'm going to spread it. And you can look to tell if you will need more barbecue sauce. I say I'm going to need more. Wait, I might be wrong. Let's see. Make sure I want to get the edges to where barbecue sauce is everywhere. Okay, let's go with a little more in the center. Okay. And for the meats, I have smoked brisket and smoked chicken. And what I did, I did a brisket sometime this week, and I didn't use it all, so I just saved it, vacuum sealed it, and chopped it up. But you could always go to your best barbecue place that you like and get maybe 1/4 pound of chopped brisket and get slices of smoked chicken. Okay. So now I'm going to put, this might be a little different. I'm going to put just a little cheese. And what I have here is mozzarella cheese and Kobe Jack. And I just shredded it up myself. I heard Ree Drummond on The Pioneer Woman say something that was really true. I used to buy the already grated cheese, and she say they put a wax on that to keep it separated, and you can really tell the difference once you get the cheese and you grate it yourself. So I'm going to put a little mozzarella here. Okay. All right, let me move this barbecue sauce so you guys can see. I just want a little. And you see I kind of missed it there grating it up, but that's okay. That'll be a nice big chunk right there. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to lay down the sliced smoked chicken breast. Wow. You see the smoke on that? It's going to really be awesome. So let's just lay it down. Try to spread it out. I'll start down here at the bottom. And you can also cut your slices thinner if you like, or your favorite barbecue joint, ask them to cut them thinner. But you know, I definitely like to taste the meat. So we're going to lay this down. Just take these little pieces and lay them down. All right, I can kind of sprinkle these. Okay. And next what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the chopped brisket. Wow, look at the bark on that. That's pretty awesome. It was really good too. Okay, so I'm going to spread this on here. Now this is chopped brisket. So let's just kind of load it, you know. Let's do a meat pizza. Hey. And you can smell the smoke in this, which is really, really awesome. And my grandbaby can't wait to try this pizza. She be like, it's taking too long. Is the pizza done? It's taking too long. So I'm trying to get this done for her. And I know this is another catcher here. I am going to do red onions. Let's put this here. So let's do the red onions. I like quite a few red onions also. So let's just spread these out. Where you can get onions in every bite. I always found homemade pizza is a lot better. And it's not a lot of work if you really don't have to do your own dough. And even if you have to do your own dough, it's still not bad. You just have to wait till your dough rise in proof. I know that might seem like a lot of onion, but onions cook down, I promise you. And next, I didn't use jalapenos, but I still wanted something kind of salty. So I'm using dill pickles. So I know some people might say, I don't know if that's gonna work out. It's gonna work out, trust me. Kind of like the cherry pie when I was doing the Chinese chopstick. That didn't work out. Until I doctored it up, it was a hot mess. That little zigzag didn't work. Okay, let's put these pickles on here. And I do know people that really like, pickles, especially when they eat barbecue. So I thought about, hey, let's just put it on the pizza. Okay. And I'm going to sauce it again, one more time. And then we're going to load it up. And this is the brisket and smoked chicken pizza. Okay, here's the barbecue sauce. Let's put some more on here. And last but not least, now we're finna load it with cheese. Cheese again, Kobe Jack and mozzarella. So
is there a reason you're separating them instead of just mixing them together?
Yeah, because habit, honestly. Creature of habit. Really no reason why, but I don't know. It's just, That's how when you're cooking, you find your own little niches. Like some people, knacks or niches or however you want to call it. The way you like doing things.
Niche.
So, some people don't wash dishes the way you wash dishes. Some people just take their dishes and stick them in the dishwater. I want my dishes clean before I stick them in the dishwasher. Okay, so now that's the Kobe Jack cheese. But cooking is really an art. And you just have to find, your painting and your drawing. Okay, last is the mozzarella. That looks good, don't it? Yeah, I think so. I can't wait to show you guys when it come out. And I'm not gonna burn it, I promise you. I'm gonna watch it. Old folks used to say, I'm gonna watch it like a hawk. I'm gonna watch it like a hawk so it won't burn. Because I'll have to come back on and say, guess what, you guys? Pizza was a flop. All them ingredients I used and I burned it up. Okay. Let's get it nice and cheesy. All right. Now I'm going to put it in a 400 degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. And then I will come back and show you guys the finished product. I'll cut it and take a bite. Stay connected. Okay, you guys, I'm back again with the finished product of the briskets, smoked brisket and chicken barbecue pizza. It turned out perfect. I want you to see it. I mean, it looks absolutely fabulous. And it is smoking hot. So I'm going to try to cut a small piece for you guys to see it. You can tell I'm not really good with a pizza cutter, huh? I think I started the wrong way. That's okay. Let's go this way. Yep. Hold on, you guys. I'm so sorry. I don't think I got that corner right. And I'm just working with this pizza. The pizza cutter would not allow me to get this edge right here, so I'm just gonna pick it up like that, and then I'm gonna break it. I know sometimes you guys be like, what the world is that woman doing? Okay. Ooh, it is smoking hot too, Jesus. Okay, look at her, you guys. You see that? You see the brisket, the chicken. Ooh. Now I can't wait to take a bite. Hold on. Okay, if I spit it out, you know it's too freaking hot, but I'm doing this for you guys, okay? Hold on. Look at the cheese. Wow. And the crust looks perfect. Mmm. Oh, wow. You guys are not going to believe this. The pickles are so awesome on here. See the red onion? See how it cooked down? One more bite. Woo! This is good. Baby, this is good. Okay, you guys. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe. And have a great weekend. And it only took 22 minutes for this pizza. I know that just probably... A little of the pizza flew out of my mouth. I am so sorry, you guys. But it's really hot, but it's really good. Again, thank you for watching. Have a blessed week. And please stay connected.